This is Abdullah. He's a Saudi national doing exercise. Regularly he will go to gym every day. Now he go for exercise. This is the machine that he is using. And I want to show you the machine that we are using. Yeah, this. And now we are doing laundry at the same time exercise. And you can see now the this is 2-in-1 guys. Exercise with laundry, washing. This is our experiment with Abdullah and Muhammad and Suhail. So this is now the. Can you do reverse, Abdullah? Yeah, we can do it reverse, guys. Okay, well, forward, Abdullah. Yeah, this is now the. See, when he make it pass, yeah, this is the reverse, and then forward, Abdullah. Surah, Abdullah, forward. Yeah, this is the forward. See, you can see the water. It is. Okay, thank you for watching, guys.